I thought I might as well cover this, what I call as doomed location. Now this is a beautiful valley bottom. In the far end you can see that one of the sacred grove remnant is there. And many of the videos I took is above that sacred grove, that paddy field, abandoned paddy field and all over there. Then this is the next valley. And this entire valley is a very rich biodiversity zone. But trees and all have been cleared, and then they have made sites. So earlier first stage dooming happened when they cleared everything and then made the sites. Then secondary growth has come, and also some very nice species come in this kind of places. You'll be surprised. I found some of the most amazing plants in this kind of place that is clear cut and developed with heavy machinery, but then it has been left alone for a while, and then the secondary pioneering species of this area, whatever can hang on and come back, they have appeared once again, including one new plant I found here which I have to come and cover. Then after that, next stage is becomes like this. The dooming process of a place, and they get that heavy machinery and clear it up. I mean, I don't blame them. It's their property, their investment, future money, everything. Whatever it is, the plants inside are gone. Every last trace will be finished with this. Then after that, houses and all will come, and that's the end of the story. All the plants in this kind of location, if one finds plants, I don't see why. It's better to rescue them and give them a future somewhere. So these doomed locations, if one walks around, you will find some tremendous possibilities exist in these places. Everything that's grown here is a secondary growth because they have done a lot of work here. It's all been cleared, pavement, this road has been laid. And then just on the main road you can see some nice things are there. This one. Then one more plant I saw. This one I think, yeah. This one I had never seen before. It's kind of a spreading plant. It has come onto the road now. And then I have been waiting for the flowering and all to happen. So these doomed locations, they contain many things. The next stage here is, of course, someone will come and build their house here. At that point, all this will go. Till then, these plants are there. I think one more species is there. Quite a few things will be there if one goes in and searches in this kind of place. So that's a doomed location and its doomed residents. And finally, the entire biodiversity gets cleared off. And then, of course, our gardeners will scurry to the nearest nurseries and acquire some alien species and fill it up there in their space in the gardens. So that pile probably contains some 10 or 20 species of plants.